Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today. In this video, we are going to show you how to give your Flickr app access to the camera on your Android phone. This is a useful feature if you want to take photos directly from the app without any interruptions. First, locate the Flickr app on your Android. Then press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Then select App Info. Next, tap on Permissions to see all the permissions the app currently. Then, find the camera option in the list and tap on it. Make sure to select Allow Only while using the app, so Flickr can access your camera only when you are actively taking photos. You should now be able to capture photos directly from the app without any issues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.